guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to make Mexican Pambazos. The ingredients I'll be using today are lettuce, bolillos, enchilada sauce, chicken, refried beans, avocado, queso fresco, and crema or sour cream. I'm going to start off by slicing my bolillo in half, and I'm going to be filling my pambazo with refried beans and shredded chicken. For those that don't know, pambazos are normally filled with potato and chorizo, or beans and cheese, but since I had refried beans and chicken at home, that's what I'll be using today, but feel free to use whatever ingredients you'd like. Once your bolillo is ready to go, we're going to close it and dip it in our enchilada sauce. You can use any enchilada sauce that you'd like, but if you want to give my recipe a try, I'll go ahead and link the video down below. We're going to be frying this in corn oil until crispy on both sides, and then once it's ready to go, we'll take it out and pat down any excess oil before finishing it off with the toppings of your choice. Just like that, you have a pambazo ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Bye!